you only use the all caps name as a necessity. You have to send it to the state's attorney general to tell him to update them records accordingly. A new trustee has been appointed. All adhesion contracts associated with this all cap name and social security number is now null and void. Govern yourself accordingly.
Yep. That's one of the reasons why they always want to tell you that you need to write out a will and testament. What you find out when you start to get into estate law and trust law, a will is never supposed to be written by a civilian. Only a will is supposed to be written by a soldier. So the attorney general, martial law, we want you to have a will, and you can write a testament too. No, as a civilian, you're only supposed to write a testament, your last testament. The Old Testament is not the old will. Think about it. So if you say, I got a will and testament, yeah, you're setting you up for failure. Because it's saying, first of all, that you're probate, you're a soldier, that you may have died on the battlefield. So you're never supposed to talk about a will in the first place. That's why attorneys always talk about wills. No, as a civilian, you can only make a testament. But if you call it a will, okay, we'll accept that, private. That's what the Real ID Act is all about. They need you to have that Real ID star on your driver's license because we need to prove that you're either in the military or you're doing commerce. Now you're under military law. Go ahead,
exactly.
Mike.
But yeah, I do want to piggyback off what you were saying. Because see, what you do is you take with a live birth in the court, right? And you ask them there's only two questions you got to ask them when you go into court. Who has a secure title to the legal name? And what rights do you have to the legal name? Okay, so the first one that you're going to come up, who has secure party to the rights, is the secure party, which is the government. So if the government has the rights to the secure party, then what obligations do you have? You don't have any obligations to it. So therefore, everything is back on the state, on the government. So you just put them all back in their court to perform. You just separated yourself from the legal name.